Imagine waking up to payment notifications, not alarms or news alerts, but real income earned while you slept. That's the power of affiliate income in the AI era. You find a tool you trust, share it, and get paid every time someone signs up through your link. It's like collecting rent from digital properties you built for free thanks to smart software. You don't create products or handle customer service. You simply connect people with solutions. Companies are eager to reward you for bringing them new customers. The customer wins, the company wins, and you win. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building sustainable long-term income with minimal upfront cost. Yes, it takes work, but it's smart work. You create assets that pay you back over and over. A single video or blog post can generate clicks and commissions for months, even years. The AI industry is booming, and people are searching for honest reviews and tutorials. You can do all of this anonymously using AI tools to generate scripts, voiceovers, and videos. All you need is a computer, internet, and the willingness to learn. So, what's an affiliate program? It's a partnership. You promote an AI tool, and the company pays you a commission for every customer you refer. You get a unique tracking link, your golden ticket. When someone clicks your link and subscribes, you earn a percentage of the sale. Many AI tools offer recurring commissions, paying you every month as long as your referral stays subscribed. That's how you build true passive income. Finding these programs is easy. Just look for affiliate or partner links on AI tool websites. Most programs are free to join and offer generous commissions, often 20% to 50%. Payouts are automated, usually via PayPal or bank transfer. Your job? Create helpful content that connects people with the right tools. The system handles tracking and payments for you. No inventory, no customer service, just value-driven recommendations. It's a scalable business. You can start with zero capital. Ready to start? First, pick AI tools you genuinely like. Think video generators, writing assistants, or design tools. Go to their websites, find the affiliate program link, and sign up. You'll fill out a simple form. No big following required. Once approved, you'll get access to your affiliate dashboard and unique links. Organize your links in a spreadsheet for easy access. Most dashboards also provide marketing materials to help you promote. Your main task: get people to click your links. Track your performance, clicks, conversions, and earnings in your dashboard. With your links ready, you're officially an affiliate marketer. Now, it's time to create content that drives traffic. This is your foundation for passive income. Here's where AI makes things easy. You can create faceless YouTube videos to promote AI tools. Start by generating a script with ChatGPT. Use an AI voice generator like Murph or 11 Labs for a professional voiceover. No need to record your own voice or appear on camera. Next, use AI video generators like Pictory or InVideo to create visuals. Upload your script or audio, and the AI matches it with relevant clips and captions. Edit as needed. Add your branding and export the finished video. Create a thumbnail with Canva. Upload your video to YouTube. Write a helpful description and include your affiliate links. Be transparent. Use a clear call to action like "Try AI tool with my link below." Your video becomes a digital asset working for you 24/7. Every view is a potential commission. You never have to show your face. That's the power of AI for creators. Don't just rely on YouTube. Spread your content across multiple platforms. Answer questions on Quora related to your AI tools, and link to your YouTube video for more info. Repurpose your video script into a Medium blog post, embedding your video and affiliate links. Medium articles can rank on Google and reach new audiences. Use Pinterest to create eye-catching pins that link to your video or blog. Each platform taps into a different audience: video watchers, readers, and visual searchers. This multi-platform approach creates a web of entry points to your affiliate links. The more places your content lives, the more passive clicks you get. Diversify your traffic for faster growth. Let your content work for you everywhere. Here's what success looks like. Your affiliate dashboard lights up with clicks and commissions. Even your first 5 or 50 is proof your system works. The real magic is recurring revenue monthly payments from loyal subscribers. Imagine 50 referrals earning you $600 a month from just one tool. Many creators start small, posting simple reviews or listicles. With consistency, some reach 2, 0, or even 5, 0 a month in recurring commissions. It's not luck, it's about providing value and building trust. The more helpful content you create, the more your income grows. Start with a few clicks. Let it snowball into life-changing revenue. Persistence and value are your keys to success. The best affiliate marketers aren't salespeople. They're educators and problem solvers. Your goal is to help, not just sell. Trust is your foundation. You earn it by genuinely guiding people through the world of AI. Every affiliate link click is someone you've helped. Focus on clarity, honesty, and value in your content. Stay curious. AI tools evolve fast, so keep learning and updating your recommendations. Your audience will reward your expertise with loyalty. Don't wait for perfection. Start with one tool, one video, and help one person. Then help 10, then 100. Consistency and value build trust, and trust builds passive income. Share, improve, and repeat. You're not just earning commissions, you're building a brand people rely on. Start today. The opportunity is wide open.